Welcome to Threadwoven Apparel. Threadwoven Apparel is a purely in-house manufacturer who deals with every kind of articles, one piece, two piece, three piece, and you can start your business with us at a very low investment and get high profits. And we bring you articles which are very pure fabrics and wholesale prices, and they are very beautiful. I'm telling you, from casual wear to party wear, we have everything under one roof. So as I am showing you, like, these kind of articles are there. Beautiful cord sets, you can see beautiful embroidery, you can see the thread work is so beautiful, butterflies and the flower detailing is so unique and fashionable. All trendy articles, hot selling articles are here under one roof, and you can get a lot of colors, 3-4 colors in each and every article over here. And you can see the designs, the prints we bring you are always trendy and fashionable, and always under the kind of articles are very fashionable and always under the gig. I am telling you, and I can bet you, if you take these articles under your business, you will earn huge profits. And these articles are on very huge wholesale prices over here. You can see these prints are very traditional. This is a bandhej and bandhani pattern over here, and you can see the detailing of mirror work and thread work on the front line and the front cut pattern. We have this collar pattern in this co-ord set, you can see, and this is a purely co-ord set collection I'm showing you today. For more updates, you can see every video of us. We'll be uploading every new collection every day. For that, just please press the bell icon and subscribe this channel. And you can see beautiful colors, color options, like, in every article, in every print, and we bring you different beautiful colors, trendy ones. As this is the black and white theme based color, two co-ord sets piece. This is a frilled pattern, you can see, all trendy and which is going on a very hot selling prices over here. I am telling you, for knowing the prices of these two co-ord sets, ping now. The display is showing the numbers below, and get contact with our team, get knowing this like prices over here. And we have all the facilities available over here. We have worldwide shipping. You can, we export all over the countries, and we are having a store in Dubai, Dera also. We have pick and drop facilities over here, same day dispatch of the orders, and you can start your business for today only. And today I am telling you, if you will start a business, you will earn a high profit with us, because we are a purely in-house manufacturer. We have video call facilities also, and you can get connected with us on the video calls also if you are not able to come. And the store is located in Main Road, Ma Tower, first floor, Sanganer, Jaipur, Rajasthan. So come today and grab your articles today only.